How to create ebook in Canva. Welcome guys, today I'm going to show you how to create ebook in Canva. First you want to make sure you're logged in, then you go to the top, click on create a design. At the search bulk you want to enter ebook. You get the option ebook cover, click on that one. And here you find all kinds of templates. There are hundreds of templates that you can use, some of which are free, others that are premium, or you can choose your own design. And then you want to do the same thing, just either enter A4 or use letter, and that way you can create your own. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it from a template. So let's see, we click on this one, and as you can see, if you click, it enters into the screen. From here, you can alter the text. And say afterlife, let's make it double click. We want to for life. You can change the size of the text by click on the minus so it gets smaller. You can also just click on this and I want to make it 65. Click on enter. You can change the text, you can change the background color if you want. You can click on here. And here there are all kinds of options you can choose from. If you want to add a new page, just go below here, click on add page. And as you can see, I can keep adding pages and I can altering it. So let's say go to page number 2. You go to the left here, there are all kinds of elements you can put in. Line, arrows, circle, a heart, a square, you name it. Or you can just scroll down. There are stickers, you can select on photos, videos, frames, grids, everything. If you want to search for a specific thing, you can go up here and click on search elements. Let's say I want to find, let's say a cow. Click on cow, click on enter. And here you find all the things related to a cow. If you want a different view, you can click on see all. And as you can see here, let's make it simple today. Click on the cow. I want it to be white, so I click on color, white, and here you can add all kinds of elements. And if you want to put in some text, you can just click on text on the left, click on add a text box, and here you can use your paragraph text. Or what you also can do is go back here. There are all kinds of font combinations you can use. Some of them are free, some of them are for the pros. So I want to put a thank you in it, click on thank you. And I can click and drag it where I want it to be. I know I'm just doing random things just to show you how it works. So here you have a next page. You can customize your template by adding own text, images, other design elements. You can change the font color, the layout to suit your needs. You want to review your design to make sure everything looks good. And once you are satisfied, you can download your ebook by clicking on the share button on top here. Select download. Here are the options you have, so the file type. Click on that and you can change it. And once you've selected the options, you go down, you click on download. And once you click on download, it will be downloaded. And there you have it. You have your own ebook. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.